Here's how the wealthiest families train their kids, and you should do the same. At the age of 5, give your child a job, a real one. Cleaning the room, taking out the rubbish, folding laundry, and pay them $5 a week. Now here's the part that most parents miss. Every dollar they earn gets split into 3 jars. Jar number 1, giving jar. $1 goes here every week. At the end of the month, they hand it to someone in need. This teaches them wealth has a purpose beyond themselves. Jar number 2, the spending jar. $2 goes here. At the end of the month, they spend it on whatever they want. No judgment. This teaches them freedom and choice. Jar number 3, the investing jar. $2 goes in here. But here's the magic. You add $1 from your pocket every week. So their $2 becomes 3. This teaches them money can multiply while they sleep. By the age of 10, they won't just know how to earn money, they'll know how to give it, enjoy it, and multiply it. Most adults are still figuring this out at 40. Your kid will master it by 10.